How to put a password on your Netflix profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can put a password on your Netflix profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to put a password on your Netflix profile, all you have to do is open your browser from netflix.com and log into your account. Now you might be saying from the app, but from the app it is not possible. You can see these profiles are locked, but the locking steps cannot be done from the app. You have to open your browser, netflix.com, log into the account. Tap the three lines option, then just go to the option that says account at the very top left. Scroll down to the profile section. You'll see a list of profiles. Select the profile that you want to lock, then go to option called profile lock and tap on change. First of all, enter your Netflix account's current password and then just tap on continue. Then just check the box that says require a PIN to access profile, then enter the PIN that you would like to use for this profile and then just tap the save option to put a password on your Netflix profile. This way you can put a password on your Netflix profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.